Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. In this video we are going to look after operators in Python. Previously we have seen arithmetic operators, right? Now we will be going with assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operators, and then we'll be going with membership operator and bitwise operator. In this video we are going to cover only 6 operators, that is arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity and membership. We'll be looking out for bitwise operator in our further sessions. Okay, so here arithmetic operators are nothing but plus, minus, into, divided by, and modulus, exponential, and then we'll be going with floor division. So here we'll go with by taking an example. So here I'm assigning a value of a 12 and I'm assigning a value to b of 10, and then I'm going to use a print statement where I'm going to use arithmetic operators, that is a plus b. So here arithmetic operators are nothing but basic mathematical operators. So here simply we can get an output of 22. Similarly, if we go with minus, we'll get a value of 2. Then if we go with divided by, we'll get an output of 1.2, and if we go with star, we'll go with 120. So here star is nothing but a multiplication symbol, and if we go with percentage, so the remainder will get over here. Okay, so whatever the remainder will be getting after dividing with 10, that is after dividing a with b, then whatever the remainder you are left over, that remainder will get in this whenever you use modulus as a function. So here modulus will be represented with percentage, and then double star will be used in order to have an exponential function. So here it double star indicates a power b, right? So if we run it, what will we be getting? This one. So 12 to the power of 10 gives you this much amount of output. For simplification, we'll change it to 2. We'll be getting an output of 144. 12 square is 144, right? Then we'll be going with double backslash, that is floor division. So first division, whatever the amount of output will get, that much. So first, upon dividing 12 with 2, 2 ones are 2 6s are, right? 12 completed. It won't go to further whenever you go with this floor division. So next we'll be moving with assignment operators, where we'll be using is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star equal to. So here we'll discuss about what are these plus is equal to, minus is equal to. Okay, so here I'm going to here I already have used assignment operator. Is equal to, a has been assigned to a value of 12 with the help of an operator is equal to. So now I am going to update the value of a to be a plus 2. Instead of giving a plus 2, I can give plus is equal to 2. Okay, so here I'm going to replace this thing with plus is equal to 2. Okay, so this implies that here a is added with 2 in next step. Okay, so similarly we can go with minus, then I will be getting an output of 10, and then we can go with star 2, that is multiplication symbol. So here we will be getting 24 as an output. Similarly you can use the next things, okay, according to your preferences. Okay, then I will be going with comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. Either they might be of equal to or not, whether they are equal or not equal, whether greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. In order to see these things, we'll be using this comparison operators. So here I'm going to give a value of b as 10, and then I'm going to print the statements, that is a is equal to b, and then I'm going to run it. So the output will be of false. A is not is equal to b. So if I change b is equal to 12, then if I run it, it will be of a true statement. I'm going to change it to the previous thing in order to execute our further programs. So here, in order to use not is equal to, you need to have an exclamatory symbol first, and then it should be followed by an equal to. So this represents not equal to symbol in Python programming language. So it here a is not is equal to b. Similarly, if it is greater than, we will be going with the greater than symbol. If it is the less than, we will be going with a less than symbol. So if we are going with less than or is equal to condition, then here we need to use less than and equal to. Here what you need to remember is less than equal to. That means first you need to have a less than symbol, then you need to have a equal to symbol. Similarly, it follows to greater than symbol, greater than, and then it should be followed by an equal to symbol. Then we'll be moving with logical operator. Logical operators are here and or not. These are the three logical operators what we will be having. Okay, so here in order to see those things, I'll be going with value of a, and then first operator, which is and, we are going to use it now. So here print of, I'm going to take a is less than 50 and a is less than 100. These are the two conditions I have taken. If these two are true, then only I'll be able to get a true output. If one is wrong, then you will be getting an output of false, right? So here a is not less than 10, because of that you have got a false. So similarly, if I go with or statement or operator, and if I run it, I'll be getting a true value, because in or in and whenever you are going to use an or operator, you need to have at least one statement true. You should not concern about second statement. Even if two statements are true also, you'll be getting a true output, and then we'll be going with not. Okay, so here in order to go with not, you need to have a not statement and a and statement. These two has to be there in this thing. Okay, so here I am going to have a not. So here it's a true statement, so whenever you use not, it will print us an opposite result. That is, if it is true, it will give us an false, because it is, we are going to use a not condition over here. So see here, even this statement, that is a is less than 50 or a is less than 10, this is true. Even after that also we'll be getting an false output, because you are going to use a not function, right? So here instead of or, I am going to use and. Okay, so here two statement has to be true in order to get an true output, but we'll be getting an false output for this. Because of using not function, you will be getting an true output. Okay, then we'll be going with identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same location. Okay, so here we'll be using identity operators. So here we are having two identity operators. One is is, and next one is not. These are the operators what we are having. So here I'm going to give a value of b to 12. Same values I'm going to give. So here it will check the complete thing. So if we take a string, the same thing has to be repeated. Okay, so here I'm going to have a print statement of, so here a is b. Okay, so if a is b, so the value of a is b, then only it will print a true. If not, it will print a false. Okay, 11. So here I'll be getting a false thing. Till now, whatever the operators you have used for numbers only. Now we'll be going with a string thing. Okay, so hello I'm going to take it as, and a is also I'm going to take it as hello. Okay, a is b. So here the complete thing will get checked. Even if you miss a single letter also, it will print false. Okay, so similarly it follows for the above thing. Even if you miss anything in A, that also will give us a false statement. Okay, and then is not is also there. So the next identity operator is not. So here A is not B. If this is condition true, then it will print a true, right? A is not B, right? So we'll got a true statement. If A is B, then we will get a false. And then we'll be going with membership operators. So here we are not going to check the complete thing. If some letters or some words or any sequence is present in it, it will return to true. Okay, so here A is not B is what we have taken previously, but now we are going to change it with the help of in, that is membership operator. If A is in B, then it has to print true, right? A is there in B, right? Here we are going to check sequence. HEEL is there in hello, but previously is not. So here previously in identity operator we are going to check complete thing, but whereas in membership operator we are going to check only a sequence, whether if it is present or not. Okay, this is what the difference is. Then we will be going with not in. Okay, A not in B. Okay, so here it gave as a false, right? So we'll be going with hello world. I'm going to have over here. Hello Python I'm going to have over here. And if I go with A in B, it will return true because hello is there in B. Sorry, hello world is not there in B, because of which it has printed true statement. So here if A in B, here complete, if you go with A in B, complete thing it will go with run demo, then I will be having a false statement. Then if we are going with hello string, okay, only a certain string or certain phrase or certain words or certain letters you want to check it in, then you need to put it in a colon, put it in colons, and then if you run it, it will become true because hello in A, hello is there in B. So hello is there in B. So here now in A world is there, but in B world is not there. So here in place of hello I am going to write world. World is not there in B, so it will return false statement. Okay, hello is there in A, then it will print a true statement, right? World is there in hello, because of which it printed this thing. So with this video, with this we'll be winding up this session. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. We'll be going with Bitwise operator in our further coming classes.